What's up, YouTube? This is my bike check. It's a stock DK Helio frame. Basically that's about it. It has the stock DK Helio bars, United Nathan Williams signature grips, the bar ends. I just got a stock front load stem, nitrous OG front forks, 3/8. Nitrous OG front wheel. Nitrous double shot front wheel. Stock cranks. Twisted PC pedals from Odyssey. Eclat plastic pivotal seat. Eastern bi-rectional hub laced to an Eastern chrome wheel. It's pretty loud. I'll let you guys hear the hub. That's basically my bike check. Over here is the rest of my parts I got. I got brand new, obviously, lumberjack bars. I'm debating to put them on or not. I don't know. I might get bigger bars. I don't know. Oh, that's my bike check.